And his ghost is lurking in nooks and crannies of Tibidaba.
Oh!
Searching for the lost strangers, illuminating their path with the dull flame of his torch.
Ah! Wait, what? A torch? Oh, Susan, now the mood is ruined.
But why? For me, that sounded spooky enough.
A torch in the 21st century? Who would believe a stranger with a torch? Not me.
Well, in that case, you tell scary stories yourself.
Do you want to hear one about a mysterious old lantern? Let's make one and you'll see it's way better than a torch. Hello, my brave crafters. Today we're gonna solve the greatest mystery of all mysteries. We'll learn how to make a lantern to scare the ghosts away.
Really? I thought we were making a spooky lantern for the ghosts.
Change of plans. Give me that thing.
Here you go.
Thanks. That's better.
Our lantern will be so mysterious that ghosts will get chills. Let's carefully cut out the first piece. Guys, check out this elegant design.
We need a half dozen of these templates. What'll work?
It's done.
Hey, but what about the polishing?
You're right. We'll use this file to polish all of the sides.
Slime inspection. I'll check this piece, miss. Not bad, not bad. Just one more thing.
Come on, Sammy. All the side pieces are done. Let's move to the next part. We need 2 polygon shapes. One is 17 centimeters wide, and the other one… Sam, where is it?
You mean this? I didn't guess what it's for.
And this one is 14 centimeters wide. Let's glue them together.
The lantern base is the most important thing. How's it going there?
All done. It came out great and very durable. Now let's attach the side pieces to this.
Ugh, I feel like something big is coming.
We'll use some magic and voila!
Sue, I brought you the missing part. Here, take it.
And it goes right on top.
Oh, looks great, but something is still missing. Like this door, for example.
Oh, and don't throw this away.
No problem, you can have that. Do I need to add anything else to this? Or maybe it's perfect.
Sam, we don't need the door now.
Huh? Well, in this case, I'll upgrade it a bit.
The edges still look a bit rough, so we'll cover them with craft paper. Like this.
Susie, help! I wrote down some ideas about the color scheme for this craft, but lost track of reality. But let's waste no time! There's a lot of work to do!
Guys, we'll pick a color scheme and come back. Don't go anywhere. The base of our lantern is almost ready. Hup! And this will work as the upper part.
Susan, I was gonna have lunch. I hope it was important.
We're gonna make a top side of the lantern using this bowl.
Okay, forget the lunch. I'm too invested in this.
I'm glad to hear that.
I also found this piece to finalize the design.
It's so thoughtful of you. And we're moving to the decor part.
Sue, I think you can't do without some paint. By the way, I'm not only slick, but a crafty slime too. But I can't help you now. I've got so much stuff to do.
Oh, Sammy, Sammy.
Carefully, Susan, I have to attach this thing now.
I think I got your point. We've added some glue and got ourselves a lantern handle.
Accio screws! Hey, I said Accio screws! Susan, check this out! Now the door and the screws are protected with slime magic.
Uh-huh. But the hinges are missing. I guess your spell didn't work well.
I know whose fault this is. It was a ghost!
What a bad ghost. Now we'll attach these to our little door.
Sue, close it now, or a ghost will come to settle inside. Phew, that was close. Only I will know a password to open that door.
I hope it's not your birthday or a pet name.
Of course not. I gotta change the password again.
Now let's cover the new pieces with the mix of putty and paint.
Here it is, my best work of art. Guys, check this out. Do you have any ideas what it's for?
The braids from self-hardening mass? So we're gonna make braid hairstyles.
Not even close. These are for decoration. We'll show it to you soon, guys. Stay tuned.
First, let's cover the backside of the braid with glue.
First? But I've already attached several pieces to the lantern.
Let me see. Well, I wanted to lead the guys through the whole process. But that's okay. You did great.
Don't forget to cut off the leftovers of the edges so that it all looks neat. Do we have a ladder for me, Susie?
I'll be your ladder, Sammy. Pass me the decor and I'll attach it to the top. Here we go.
You know, I guess we need to create a story for this lantern.
You're right. Do you have any prompts?
How about the king of far, far away seeking his beloved in the dark of an evil kingdom? Or another option. The old man has lost his way home, but the fairies presented him a lantern that never fades away. What do you say?
Wow, sounds like a great story for a novel.
Did I lose track of time? You've almost finished the decor while I was talking.
I left some pieces for you. Want to help?
Only if we'll work together. Let's go. Holy cannoli! It is already solidified! We can proceed!
And the next stage is coloring. We'll layer the paints one by one to create gradient. The first one is black for a spooky and old-time effect.
Guys, are you following? Hurry up! Don't fall behind! Whoa! It looks like somebody burnt it or something! Anyway, I look good on this background. Ah! Careful, Susie! Did I suddenly become translucent?
Won't be surprising though. We're making a magic lantern after all. Now let's add some ochre to create the vintage effect.
What is this, Sue? Corrosion? Not on my watch! That lantern should look mysterious and expensive.
There will be no winner in this battle, Sammy.
We will see about that, Susan! Defend yourself! On guard! Ouch! Ow! Ah!
I won!
Sue, I give up!
I think our rivalry did a good job for the design. I like what we've got.
Only one color is left. Shall we paint it together?
That will be the best finishing touch, my friend.
Oh, this is perfect!
Sammy, our lantern is ready.
Guys, what are you waiting for? Let's go and see the final result!
Sammy, is that you? What happened?
I got trapped inside! Don't touch it or it'll get you too! There's only one way to get me out! Just stop being so gullible!
Ah, Sammy! Ugh.
Phew! I had better go! See you in the next video, guys! Bye-bye!
Oh, Sammy. Guys, give us a thumbs up if you think that I'm gonna get this slime. Bye-bye!